Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti no inau. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenye skimba no fumura no itama.
Team yangu nde muita si katudzoka zvakare tiri kupisa na skimbo. Wakati tiri kupisa zokupe team yangu. Pasata pita ndezva nasika. Mungu bai button subscribe. But kana wasubscribe kujara. Aiwa machena takutongofambira nyaya.
Ja is your mother's cousin, which makes him your uncle. Please confirm.
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
He's your uncle?
Yeah. He's
Wow.
my uncle. Yeah. Very. Because it's not like we're in bad books now. But it's just that, you know, kuti say relationship yedu kumusha. We just have to be our own man. He doing his thing, me doing my thing. I know people, a lot of people, like the people that work with Prayzah and the people that work with the law, in fact, his workmates.
Yeah.
They were the ones who started this whole thing, this attention thing, and all of that.
So it's not Prayzah.
No, it's not Prayzah.
It is his workmates.
No, I don't.
Or his
fight,
employees.
yeah,
So to say.
I don't fight with Prayzah because he's my uncle. I'll never fight with him. But it's in fact it's his brand that I'm in an argument with, or that I'm in that I fight with.
Yeah.
It's not him as a person.
Because
I don't know. I want to talk to him, but he doesn't want to talk to me.
Why? Because you talk too much, maybe.
Whether I talk too much or
don't
I
you?
No, I don't talk too much. But when I'm asked a question, I answer. You just said, like I said, I'm not in bad books with Prayzah. I'm in bad books with his workmates, or in fact the whole house, in fact excluding him. Why? Because as a leader, I tell you, okay, Ola, I need there's a deal and because I'm tactic. You get it? And then everything happens. Do you know what happens? When you see me changing my mind,
yeah,
pana atozoya idea yekuti uri kuona ukaisa ola apa ma1 kode waisa ushu, which means it's not me, because ininewe, you know, you can't fly a person from Tanzania coming to say, no, you were going to do a song with this person, and then that person comes and then you say, so to change it out to die. That means it was not his idea, it was somebody else's idea. You get it?
What privilege you said Diana has that idea. Maybe probably you can share. Tell us. I will never know, because all the words would come from him, like the horse's mouth. You get it? But it's not like you know, when I do my thing, when it's an Muridzo against an artist, yeah,
no manager should come and say whatever they say. That means you are degrading your person.
Okay,
you get it.
But what were the terms?
As big as they
what were
are,
the terms of the contract? Because the contract didn't go neither. But tell us, what were the terms of the contract of which you say iwewe ndopandire ndakazo kanganisirwa muma terms edu? What were the terms of the contract yako ye Mirita Touch movement? It's not good to shine.
I was okay with recording there. All the recordings were okay. Obviously, they could fall under military touch. That was okay, right? But then there were those things. So I could get my own collabos. You get it? I could get my own collabos.
International collabos.
I could.
Okay.
You get it?
Huh?
But because I was under a stable. You get it? I was not in a position to get anything. You get it?
Yeah.
And then everything I
talked
about it.
You haven't answered me. My question is the terms.
Those are Kutaura.
Okay.
The international collabos, my concerts, in my interviews,
exactly.
You know, when somebody's under a stable
contract,
you get it. It's not like I wanted to kumbira munu kuti ndikuda collab kandukuda chi, but under the contract it was written.
Okay.
So I was expecting to get what was written on the contract.
Kuti panema international collabos, changeni ma concerts, and also my interviews.
So people will be like, hey, wait, I could not get my collabs on my own because I was under a label.
And there was a contract.
And everything that I was supposed to do was supposed to come from the label. Even but connection from the label.
But did you sign the contract?
Skin was sitting next to me, Prayzah was in front of me, and Simbilimbe was here. Was correct side. I still remember. But Belvedere, but obviously Belvedere. Isati yapen kwa green. Isati yatombo ne security guards. That's when I took a pen and a paper and I signed Katindawira and Nizunius. I signed that whole thing.
Okay. So
apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti no now. Pesho na gwede chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.